We are going to continue our discussion of lines and focus on horizontal and vertical lines, recalling that a line can be either rising, falling, horizontal, or vertical. A horizontal line goes left to right with no slant. It does not go up or down at all. While a vertical line goes up or down, it has no slant. It does not go to the left or right. And with that information, that helps us understand that the graph of a horizontal line will have no x-intercept unless the line is the x-axis itself, because it is not going up or down. It's not going to hit the x-axis. The graph of a vertical line will have no y-intercept unless the line is the y-intercept, a y-axis itself, because it is going simply up or down. It's not going to hit the y-axis. We are going to examine the slope of a horizontal line and the slope of a vertical line. Examples and questions that we're going to talk about today is we're going to be looking at the graph of x equals -2 first, and then y equals +4. We're going to look at the graphs of each of these by establishing a table of values. So first we're looking at x equals -2. So x equals -2. X equals -2 no matter what y is equal to. So no matter what y is equal to, x will always be -2, so no matter what y is. So x is -2 no matter what y is. So y could be -5 and x is -2. Y could be -2 and x is still -2. Y could be 0 and x is -2. Y could be 3. It doesn't matter. No matter what y is, x is still -2. Labeling our x and y axes gets us started, and then we need to label scale. So because all of these points are pretty close to the origin, I'm going to have each increment be a value of 1. So I'm just going to go 5 in each direction. Starting with our first point, we have -2, which means we go to the left 2, and then -5, we go down 5. -2, -2. -2, 0. And then our last point that I chose to look at is -2, 3. So I want you to look at the pattern of this and notice what all of the points have in common. All of the points have an x value of -2. And so when I connect those points, we have what type of line, please? Is this vertical or is this horizontal? So make sure you remember which is vertical, which is horizontal. Vertical lines go up and down, so this is a vertical line. And I want you to think about what the slope is for this line. I'm not going to tell you, but I want you to choose 2 points here. So choose 2 points and find the slope, remembering slope is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Our next equation is y equals 4. So y equals 4 no matter what x is. So if x is -2, y is 4. If x is 0, y is 4. If x is 2, y is 4. It doesn't matter what x is. No matter what x is, y is 4. So our scale again, each 4 directions need to be labeled. These are all very close to the origin. So we have -2, 4. We have 0, 4. We have 2, 4. And we're establishing a pattern. We can see that these are all in line. So I'm going to use a straight edge. And arrows are very important as well. So this goes forever to the left, forever to the right. This is our equation y equals 4. And this is going to the left and right forever. Y is always 4, and so this is a horizontal line. And I want you to choose 2 points here. It doesn't matter which 2 points. Choose 2 points. And I want you to find the slope, remembering that the slope formula again is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. And this is going to lead us into the 2 questions. Our first question, the slope of a horizontal line is, and the slope of a vertical line is.